Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Say happy birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Auntie Rio. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rio! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Mommy Love. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Love. Yeah?
To my dearest mother, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, me. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Happy birthday. Mama doing?
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rio! Excited to be with you soonest. Peace.
Good afternoon, Auntie, here in Philippines, and now nakabili sa Labangon and practice sa together some classmates. And karon na wanna greet a happy birthday to you. Ilan na, how young are you, Auntie? So kana siya. I wanna extend my thanks, gratitude gikan ni Auntie sa imong pag-assist nako as a student, and ako ka siya tabang para nako, and of course akong family sad na mas napadayon akong pag-eskwela pa ba, and puhon mubaw sa ako ni Auntie. So here nako diri sa pianohan kay mag dedicate kog song, my favorite children's song, which is I'm trying to be like Jesus.